Static electricity. Have you ever tried petting your cat's fur and noticed the tip of it began to stand? Or imagine you in a good mood and decided to comb your hair 200 times and ended up having a bad hair day. Before we dig into static electricity, it is important to know the nature of matter.
There are three types of atoms: negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and neutral charged neutrons that made up all the materials here on Earth. Even us Earthlings are made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Without these, life would be impossible.
This idea goes the same if one of the materials is an insulator, just like a rug. When you're walking across the rug, the electrons from your body rub off into it, while the rug will resist losing its own, thus making your body and the rug becomes positively charged, despite being neutralized, and when you touch the knob, you feel a little zap.
Let's go back to having a bad hair day. In the same concept as rubbing a balloon in your hair. Normally, the electrons and the protons that made up your hair strands are balanced, thus making it a neutrally charged atom. However, the electrons are almost insignificant in mass. Your hair loses its electrons and will become positively charged. By means, some strands of your hair will be attracted to the balloon.
The law of nature allows a positively charged material to take the negative atoms from a negatively charged material in an attempt to restore the neutral charge equilibrium. And this quick movement of electrons are called a static discharge, is what we recognize as the sudden spark. However, this doesn't happen with just any objects. Otherwise, we would be getting zapped all the time.
It is all because the loosely bound electrons from your metal doorknob will hop through your body. This idea of static electricity is just a minor thing, unlike the situation outdoors. In some conditions, charge separations occur in clouds while the imbalanced charges are neutralized if released to another body, such as the trees, building, or to another cloud which is negatively charged, that are more likely to create a lightning.